Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display POS hourly report via POS. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev POS hourly sales report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to point of sale app, go to reporting menu and see here the separate menu hourly sales report. Now click on and see here this hourly sales report based on month, total amount here, display group wise customer, date, hours and name. So display here customer wise report. Also see here in bar chart, line chart, pie chart. Available here more options for display here hourly based report. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.